What if you can trade Gold Forex and US stocks using the same USDT in your crypto wallet without opening a traditional broker account and without leaving your crypto app? That's exactly what the Gate TradFi allows you to do. In this video, I'll show you what Gate TradFi is, how it works, and how you can actually trade. The fees and the risks you must understand before even the trading. Now, what is the Gate TradFi? TradFi means a traditional finance, and Gate TradFi brings a traditional market into the Gate crypto app. Now, you can trade forex pairs like Euro USD, gold, and silver, US stock indexes like SP 500 and Nasdaq, individual stocks like Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, commodities like oil and gas. You are not buying real stock or gold. You are actually trading CFD, and that is the contracts on difference. Now, what does this mean? You profit if the price goes in your direction, you lose if the price goes against you. You don't actually hold the asset, you only trade the price movement. Now, why is this powerful? Because you use USDT from your crypto wallet and everything inside the Gate app. There is instant transfer, leverage up to 500 on Forex and indices. Trading is available 24/5, that is from Monday to Friday. And you may be asking yourself, how does this really work? Now, when you move USDT into the TradFi, it actually becomes USDX, not USDT. Now, USDX is actually pegged to 1 is equal to 1 to the USDT, meaning the price is the same. Actually, not a new coin, just an internal balance of or for TradFi. When you move money back, it actually converts to USDT instantly. Differences from the crypto and futures is fixed leverage, market close on the weekend, and overnight ordering fees. Now, cross-margin system, pricing follows traditional markets. Now, here the available asset and leverage. You can trade Forex, Real USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, leverage up to 500, metals, gold, that is silver, leverage up to 500, indices SP 500, leverage up to 500, stock Apple, Tesla, Nvidia, and leverage up to 5. Commodities like oil and gas leverage is up to 20. This lets crypto traders actually access global market without leaving crypto app. All right. Now, here's the fee. Now, fees actually include just small trading commissions, and that is the spreads between the buy and the sell. Overnight actually holding fees, that is commonly on other brokers. There are actually no account fees, no inactivity fees, and no conversion fees. You actually only pay when you trade or own positions overnight. How do you trade this? Now, step 1, transfer USDT to TradFi account. And step 2, choose asset like gold or USD. Step 3, analyze the chart and choose. And number 4, buy if the price will rise, sell if the price will fall. And step 4, enter a position height, set a stop loss and take profit. Monitor your trend and close anytime that you want. Now, let me just give you the tips. Start with the small size. High leverage moves very fast. Now, this is risk that you must know. And risk number 1, extreme leverage at 500. Leverage as more move can actually wipe your account. Risk number 2, overnight fees holding trends, longer term cost of money. Risk number 3, market gaps, market close on the weekend, price can actually jump on Monday, creating big gaps. Number 4, no ownership, you don't actually own real stock or gold. This is the price speculations only. Risk number 5, opportunity actually cause crypto historical outperform and gold and stock. So ask yourself, if the TradFi is actually trending better than holding crypto, who is this for? Gate TradFi actually is for crypto traders who want to trade gold and forex. Short-term traders, this is not intended for long-term investors, beginners using high leverage. All right. Now, let me just say the following as I range this up. Gate TradFi lets you trade traditional market using crypto or inside in one app. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more trading content. Comment below. Would you trade gold or crypto, or stick to the crypto only? Trade safe, manage risk, and I will see you in the next video. Adios.